Okay, so I have my balance scale here, which the balance scale, remember, it represents the equal sign. The equal signs means that on both sides, this has to be the same, right, in order to balance our scale. And I have my little dice right here, and that's how we're going to get our numbers. And then I have my little blocks, and these blocks are going to represent the numbers, okay? So let's roll our first dice. Okay, and I have the number
5.
Alright, the number 5. Now, does it matter where I put the number 5?
No.
Nope, doesn't matter. Right now, we're just putting stuff there, okay? I'm going to put the number 5. Do you care which side we put it on?
No.
No. Is it okay if I put it over here for now? Okay, let's put the number 5 over here. Now, I'm going to roll my dice again so we can get our number for the other side. Let's see. Okay, I have the number
3.
Alright, the number 3. I have the number 3 on this side. So now we're going to take our balance scale. And how many are we going to put over here?
5.
5, that's right. That's 1 on the one side. 5, 3, 4, 5. And how many I'm going to put on the other side?
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, looking at our balance scale. Is it even right now? Is it balanced?
No.
No. We, remember, can either take away or add or put in order to balance it. Which number do you want to focus on? The number 5 or the 3?
Number 5.
5. Okay, we have 5. What do we have to do to 5 in order for it to look like number 3?
We need to remove.
We need to take away. Do you know how many we're going to have to take away?
2.
2. Let's see. We have 1, 2 taken away. Now, is that balanced?
Yes.
You see? Okay, I think it is too. So, when we remove, what symbol do we use?
Minus.
Minus sign. Alright, so we removed how many? Do you remember?
2.
2. That is correct. Ooh, my marker fell down. We have 2. Now, we have, is this statement true?
Yes.
That's right. It's all balanced, right? Because on 5, you take away 2. It's the same as 3. Now, let's say we have the same numbers again. We have 5. And we have 3 again. What can you do to 3 to make this statement true? So let's start again. We have 5 on one side and 3 on the other. What can you do to number 3 to make this statement balanced, to make it all equal, to make it the same?
We need to add 2.
We need to add 2. Let's try. Let's do this. We're going to put, which symbol do we use when we add?
Plus.
Plus, that's right. And we're going to add 2. Shall we do it on the scale to see if that works?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. We have the 5 on one side and the 3. I'm going to put 1, 2. Is that balanced?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Shall we do one more problem?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try another problem. We're going to take away our little dots from here. They're falling everywhere. All right, what do we put in the middle always? What is the balance? What sign is that?
Equal.
Good job. The equal sign. All right, let's roll the dice one time. Okay, we have the number
6.
6. Does it matter which side I put it in?
No.
Do you have a preference?
Right.
The right side?
Yeah.
Okay, 6. Alright, let's try a different roll. We have the number
1.
1. The number 1. Okay. Let's put our 6 blocks. Ooh, again. We are going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what goes on the other side?
1.
1. Now, is that balanced?
No.
No, that's not balanced. Which side can I do something to?
With the 1.
With the 1. What are we going to do to the 1?
We need to add.
We need to add. Do you remember what was the symbol for adding?
Plus.
Plus. Does it matter which side I do it in right now?
No.
No. How many are we going to add? How many are we going to put? How many more?
3.
Let's try 3. We're going to put 1, 2, 3. Now, is that balanced with 3?
No.
No. How many more do you think we should add?
1.
1 more. Let's see. That made a little bit of a difference, but is that the same right now?
No.
How many more do you think we should add?
1.
1 more. Let's see. Does that look balanced?
Yeah.
Yep. How many more did we add?
5.
5. Let's see. Now, is that a true statement? Is that a balanced statement?
Yes.
Let's see. We can count, right? That's how we check if we're correct. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's check the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and
6.
all right. Good job.